Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the display comparison between the MI Max 3 versus the Redmi Note 8 Pro device. So MI Max 3 is of 2 years old mobile. It got launched in the 2018 and the Redmi Note 8 Pro got launched recently. But both the phones are having the same kind of IPS LCD panel technologies. I just want to compare 2 years back mobile with the same brand with the same. Right now it got launched in the Redmi Note 8 Pro device with the same IPS LCD panel, and let's check in this video how is the display quality. Is it got improved or is it the same, and does it make any difference or not? First, let me talk about the display specifications of both the phones and sizes. So as you can see, the Mi Max 3 has a 6.9 inches and the Redmi Note 8 Pro has a 6.53 inches, as you can see here clearly. And both the phones comes with a 1080 resolution and IPS LCD panel and IPS LCD panel. But the aspect ratio is a little bit different when compared with both the phones, as you can see here clearly. So now I have loaded the same video in both the mobile phones. Let me try to play the video and let's check is there any difference in terms of the clarity or not while watching the videos. First of all, you can see friends the display how huge it is Mi Max 3 device. So it looks very good watching in the device Mi Max 3 phone when compared with the normal watching in the Redmi Note 8 Pro device, as you can see here. So let me try to increase the brightness in both the phones so that you will get a clear clarity. How is the screen brightness? So right now both the phones are having with the full brightness levels, and you can see the viewing angles of both the phones how it looks. Overall, I can see there is not that much improved in terms of the quality. But the Redmi Note 8 Pro is slightly having the little bit of bright colors when compared with the Mi Max 3 device. So as you can see friends, how big the Mi Max 3 phone is when compared with the normal Redmi Note 8 Pro device. So overall friends, in terms of the clarity, Redmi Note 8 Pro has got a slightly advantage than the Mi Max 3 device. That is a minimum advantage, but overall it looks pretty good. So let me decrease the brightness to 10 in both the phones and let's check which phone is brighter. So the Redmi Note 8 Pro is slightly brighter than the Mi Max 3. You may not be noticed in this video, but when you watch personally, I can feel the difference. Let me decrease more to 5%. So as you can see friends, you can see it's little bit of colors in the Redmi Note 8 Pro but not in the Mi Max 3 device. So overall friends, this is a quick display comparison video between the Redmi Note 8 Pro versus the Mi Max 3 device. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any queries regarding the smartphones, you can comment below. So see you in the next video guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.